as the excellent filtration and separation solution providers. Shengda always focuses on the research, design, and manufacture of filtration products and reactor internals since establishment in 1998. Shengda products, gradually becoming widespread across the globe, are extensively applied in the fields of energy and chemical industry, hydraulic transmission, food, electronics, petroleum refining, beer and beverage, oil and gas drilling, sewage treatment, chemical and pharmaceutical, hydrological drilling, aviation, marine and nuclear physics, etc. Design is definitely the key for quality. Shengda insists on pursuing high quality by strictly controlling research, development, and design of the source. The powerful and professional design team strives to make numerous breakthroughs in micro-innovation to provide design and manufacturing services for various industries and to offer cutting-edge technical support and fabulous solutions. Great importance is attached to production as a critical process from theoretical design to actual product. With the pressure vessel A1, A2 manufacturing license and America ASME manufacturing license, Shengda owns large cutting equipment, automatic welding equipment, machining equipment, surface treatment equipment, and specialized filter element processing equipment, enabling provision of full support for product processing. Quality serves as a major force for the continuous growth and the life of Shengda as well. In Shengda, quality is not only targeted for products, but also for the whole process flow to a further extent. The overall quality management and control system, covering all aspects from problem analysis and solution development to product supply and technical service, ensures the world-class quality of Shengda products. Shengda Purification Engineering Technology Research Center incessantly seeks for innovation, the soul of Shengda, by participating in formulation of industrial standards, providing solutions to various industrial problems, and developing a series of leading products in the industry, despite tremendous obstacles. In Shengda Equipment Inspection Center, all products are subject to the most stringent reliability test and environmental test for guaranteeing safe and effective use of products. Shengda endeavors to keep innovation to satisfy customer demands, increases input in fundamental research, rises abruptly based on its accumulated strength, and boosts industrial improvement. Shengda takes a further step of globalization, establishes a global service center, receives good reputation and trust from customers, and achieves win-win progress by relying on the latest technologies and products, rapid customer response mechanism, high satisfaction products, and premium services on the purpose of serving customers in all regions in a better way. Shengda has established long-term stable partnerships with numerous world-renowned enterprises across the globe to incessantly create infinite value for customers. Various R&D technical exchange activities and public benefit activities are organized by Shengda all over the world. Shengda, committed to becoming a typical global outstanding enterprise, seeks for sustainable development in China, even to the whole world in the future. Purify World from Shengda.